After logging in, look for the retention or sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains up to 26 locked-in choices. 0.5. The global push towards sustainable production models has forced industries to reevaluate agricultural waste. Among the most promising frameworks for eco-friendly manufacturing is the valorization of rice husks, the hard, protective coverings of grains of rice. Every year, the global agricultural sector generates hundreds of millions of tons of rice husks. Historically, this byproduct was either burned, contributing to severe air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, or left to rot in landfills. However, modern materials science has unlocked a revolutionary circular economy model, transforming this abundant agricultural waste into durable, biodegradable, and completely eco-friendly plates, cups, and tableware. Understanding how a loose, brittle agricultural byproduct becomes a solid, functional dining plate requires looking at the specific properties of the material. Rice husks are uniquely suited for structural repurposing due to their high silica and lignin content. Silica provides natural hardness, thermal resistance, and water-repelling properties, while lignin acts as a natural polymer. When processed correctly, these properties allow the husks to mimic the durability of conventional petroleum-based plastics without carrying the same devastating environmental footprint. This framework for eco-friendly manufacturing completely eliminates the need for melamine, BPA, or synthetic
You can actually
toxins,
feed this plate to
resulting in
animals
products
after
that
you
can
are done
withstand
eating.
hot
That's
liquids,
because these
microwave
farmers are turning
radiation, and
leftover
repeated
rice
washing.
husks into
The
eco-friendly
conversion from
plates.
raw
This
agricultural
zero
waste
waste
to a
trick begins
finished
right
consumer
after the
product
rice
is a
harvest.
multi-stage
When dried
industrial
paddy is
process
milled to
that
extract the
demands
grain,
precise
it
thermal
leaves
and
behind
mechanical
massive amounts of
engineering.
outer shells,
Here is the
commonly known as
step-by-step
rice
manufacturing
husks.
sequence
To
that makes
manufacture
this
these organic
transformation
dishes,
possible.
the machine
The
first
process
thoroughly
begins at
cleans
the
the
rice
husks.
mill.
After
After the
mixing in
rice
just a
grains
tiny
are
amount of
separated
water,
from their
the
protective
material is
casings
fed
during the
into a
milling process,
high-pressure heat
the
molding
raw
machine
husks are
that
collected
instantly
in bulk.
presses it into
At this
beautiful,
stage,
durable
the
plates.
material is
Because they are
essentially raw
100%
agricultural
natural,
waste,
these
often
plates
mixed with
contain no
field
harmful
dust,
chemicals.
small stones,
When discarded,
stray rice
they
grains,
decompose
and
completely
other
and
organic
help
debris,
fertilize the soil,
establishing
or they
a
can be
localized
safely fed
supply
to
chain
cows,
between
ducks, and
mills and
chickens. They are
manufacturing
even
facilities
using this
is a
technology
crucial part
to
of
make
the eco-friendly
eco-friendly cups and
framework,
spoons.
as it minimizes the carbon footprint associated with transporting the raw, bulky biomass over long distances. Before any structural transformation can occur, the raw husks must be rigorously purified. The collected biomass is fed through industrial sifting machines and pneumatic sorting chambers. Vibrating screens separate out heavier stones and large debris, while forced air systems blow away fine field dust and lighter impurities. This step is critical. Any foreign matter left in the husks will create structural weak points in the final plates or cups, leading to cracking or uneven textures during the molding phase. Raw rice husks naturally hold a variable amount of moisture depending on the climate and storage conditions. For the manufacturing process to work, the moisture content must be strictly controlled, typically brought down to a precise tolerance of around 8% to 10%. The cleaned husks are passed through large rotary dryers. If the husks are too wet, the water will turn into steam during the hot pressing phase, causing the plates to blister, warp, or explode in the mold. If they are too dry, the material becomes exceedingly brittle and will not bind properly. Once dried to the correct specification, the husks are fed into heavy-duty industrial pulverizers or hammer mills. The machines grind the coarse, abrasive husks into a fine, uniform micropowder. The consistency of this powder dictates the final texture of the tableware. A finer grind results in a smoother, more polished finish on the plates and cups, which is highly desirable for consumer food service products. The natural silica in the husks makes this a high-friction process, requiring specialized wear-resistant milling equipment to prevent metal shavings from contaminating the batch. Because rice husk powder cannot stick together on its own under normal conditions, it must be mixed with a binding agent. In true eco-friendly manufacturing frameworks, synthetic plastics or toxic glues are strictly avoided. Instead, manufacturers compound the rice husk powder with natural, plant-based binders. These often include cellulose, natural plant starches, lignin extracts, or natural resins derived from trees. The powder and the binder are blended in massive industrial mixers under controlled heat to create a homogeneous, dough-like compound or a uniform granulated resin, ensuring every individual particle of husk is fully coated. In conclusion, Turning rice husks into eco-friendly plates and cups is a masterclass in sustainable engineering.